It's June 9th, 2018. We're back again with Howard Robbins, who came out for my quarterly Ozone workshops. Howard, what were your thoughts about this workshop? First of all, tell us how it did for your back.
Okay, so every time I come out, I get shots in my SI joints bilaterally and both sides. And I haven't had sciatica since we've been doing this the past couple of years now. And I used to suffer from it terribly for a long, long time. Do chiropractic and everything, doesn't work as well as the SI injections, the Ozone injections. Then you gave me some in my lumbar vertebra, and now my low back discomfort and tension is gone. The workshop in general was even better than some of the others. I think all the doctors here really enjoyed them, got a huge amount of information. And I've been doing this for a very long time. This is my 28th year in Ozone. And every time I come, I learn something. Every time I learn not one or two little things, but several very important things. And it hasn't ended yet. It's pretty amazing.
Thank you. I hope you'll keep coming out to us.
You can count on it.
All right, great.